finally, we got our hands on some brand new made in the USA hand tools from Milwaukee. Well, specifically, we have 3 of their pliers, the lineman's pliers, the needle nose pliers, and the diagonal cutters, and we have a 4-piece screwdriver set. Let's dive in a little closer and check out these details, and we'll come back and wrap it up. We've got some brand new tools from Milwaukee, and it's not your typical power tools. In fact, it's made in the USA products, and these are hand tools. Now, last year we visited their plant where they made these, and we're really excited to talk about it, and we're even more excited that now they're starting to hit the market. So we have a few of their pliers as well as a screwdriver kit, and we're just going to go over the features of all these. And by the way, the quality is top-notch on these USA tools from Milwaukee, and we've seen them created from start to finish at their USA facility up in Milwaukee. And look at this, the smooth operation on these, and we got to see the process of how their machines are actually turning these out. So not only are you getting quality pliers, but when you get them out of the box, you're not having to break them in. You know, usually you get a good pair of pliers and they feel nice and firm and there's no deflection in them, but they're really stiff and you have to just sit there and break them in, put them on the vise, work them, things like that, hit them with a hammer. You don't have to do that with these. Anyway, let's take a look at them. These are the needle nose. We get a pair of the diagonal cutters as well, and then a set of their 9-inch lineman's pliers, and we'll go over each one of these, and then a 4-piece screwdriver kit. So we get a, looks like a number 1 Phillips, larger straight slot or standard, whatever you want to call that, flat blade, and then a standard, and then so it looks like we get 3 standard blades or flat blades and 1 number 2 Phillips. By the way, I don't believe you can get it in this pack-out kit. Thank you to Milwaukee for sending that, but I don't believe you can buy it in this pack-out kit. It would be cool if they did kind of offer a USA-made hand tools selection in a pack-out. That'd be pretty cool. But anyway, for now, let's go over these. All of these products, the pliers and the screwdrivers, are made in the USA at the Milwaukee plant that we have toured in the past. So a really cool process of seeing these things made, and we can't divulge all the information. But first up are these lineman's pliers. These are the model number MT500. And one of the first things you will recognize when you pick up a set of their pliers, a set of their made in the USA pliers, is just the out of the box, just how smooth they are. Now, we also saw the process of how they validate that these things are broken in, and they have a machine that actually checks all of this. Very easy to control. At the same time, there's no deflection in this, hardly at all. I can really try to twist on these and see hardly any at all. You can barely feel anything, if at all. Like it right here, you really can't feel it at all. If I open it up and try to get some deflection, you might feel just a small movement, but for the most part, nothing. Love the cross hatching here on the teeth. Usually you'll see just kind of cross teeth, if you will, but we have that cross hatch pattern. We have laser edge hardening on these, on the cutting jaws as well as around the edges of the jaws, to make sure that those aren't going to wear away as you are cutting on things, whether you're cutting screws or whether you're cutting copper. Doesn't matter whether you're cutting steel, those jaws are going to last a long time. You can get these again in different variations where you have the bolt cutters built into there. This does not, so you can just use the cutting edges there, as well as the crosshatch teeth, and then you can even use the back jaws for pulling fish tape or whatever you need to do. They're all lanyard or tether ready as well, so you can put a split ring in there. That hole is actually through the steel as well, so you're not just hooking into the handle. And lastly, we also get a reamer here on the head of the plier, so you can ream out conduit or any pipe that you're cutting. So these edges right here do a great job of cleaning out any of those burrs when you're cutting into conduit, copper, aluminum, whatever it is you're cutting in tubing. You can use that for reaming. These are the MT505s, and they're the 8-inch long nose pliers. Again, same smoothness, so you can see these things just fall open, but literally zero deflection here in the tool as well. So even though they're broken in per se, because usually you're really getting on these things to try to break them in, and out of the gate you get them where they're ready to go. You can easily maneuver these with a couple of fingers, put the full grasp on it, and let them fall open, and they're ready to go again. We get that cross hatching on those teeth here on the tips as well. That's great for needle nose pliers or long nose pliers like this. Many times you try to grab something with these and they typically slip. These are nice, strong teeth, and again, that crosshatch pattern is going to provide that extra bite for really grasping. You also get the cutters here on the back side as well, all the way back in the jaws where you can really get some leverage on those. And then we even have some teeth right here for grabbing on the back side as well. So these are not crosshatch, these are just kind of lateral teeth going across sideways. Also tether ready, so ready to put your split ring in for getting on the job site quick. And you also have the reamer on the tip of these also, which again is going to work on any 1/2 inch to 1 inch conduit or 1/2 inch to 1 inch, any type of tubing that you really want to ream out and clean out those inside burrs. Now, price on these is going to run you $35, and again, get a lifetime warranty on these Made in the USA pliers. And these are the MT508, and these are the diagonal cutters, the 8-inch diagonal cutting pliers. I grew up calling these dikes for cutting off hog rings and different sorts of things in the upholstery industry. But anyway, they work great for cutting just about anything, whether it's copper, aluminum wire, steel wire, baling wire, you name it. These side cutters, these diagonal cutters are going to work great, give you tons of pressure, especially the further you get back in the jaws here. Again, laser edge hardening on these, and you get that smooth operation out of the box where they're already broken in, and that Made in the USA quality. Tether ready here on the handle. Now these are going to run you $35 as well, and again, have that lifetime warranty right out of the box. And all of these are also made out of press forged steel, and again, we got to see a lot of that process as these were being made when we took a visit of the factory, and just a really cool process and cool plant, and they're looking to expand and making more tools in the USA. So let's get started on the screwdrivers. Now the screwdriver set you can get in a 4-piece set, as we see here, where you have 1 Phillips and 3 standard, or 3 what I would call a flathead or a flat blade. And this 4-piece set is going to run you $45. If you step up to a 6-piece set, it's going to run you like $55. And again, we're going to get that lifetime warranty. Now, model number on the 4-piece set is the MT200-4, and the 6-piece is the MT200-6. You can see the USA right there molded into the handle. We get a kind of a triple grip design here, where we have rubber overmolding in 2 places. Then we have some more injection molding here in the red, and then the base polycarbonate or whatever that is of the base there that's almost a translucent. We get the sizing here on the back of the screwdriver. So this says a 5/16 standard blade. You can see that. We also get the nut bolster here, where we can put a wrench on it and get some extra oomph if we need it. Now, model number on this is the MT207. You'll see here on the tip of the screwdriver is that laser etching that gives you a little extra grip when you're trying to grip that screw and loosen it typically, or tighten it down. And then we also get knurling on the actual steel handle as well. Really nicely made and built, and very comfortable to hold screwdrivers. Now this is the MT206, which is the 1/4 inch standard blade or straight slot screwdriver, and again, the knurling here on the handle. We don't have the nut bolster there for putting on a wrench. That's only going to be on the larger straight slot, but we do get the laser etching on the tip. So we get a hardened tip as well as the laser etching to help grip as well. So hardened to make sure that you're not bending that tip, and then the laser etching to add that additional grasp, and the knurling on the handle as well, so we can easily spin that if we need to, even if our hands are sweaty or oily. And this is going to be our 3/16 inch straight blade or standard screwdriver with again, we have the laser etching on the end there. This is more of a smooth electrician's type screwdriver, so no knurling there, and also the tip doesn't expand here, so get in those tight spaces if you need to, you know, down in those recessions and things like that. These are great screwdrivers for that. And then we'll take a look here at our Phillips screwdriver. This is a number 2 Phillips that you get, again, with the 4-piece set. The 6-piece set, you're going to get an additional Phillips screwdriver, but this is the number 2, and it's the MT202. Again, knurling here on the handle, same type of handle process here. Feels very comfortable in the hand. This one's a little bit smaller than the larger straight blade or straight slot screwdriver, and about the same size as the other ones that we were looking at. You see the marking here on the handle that tells us this is a Phillips, as well as the marking here on the handle telling us this is a Phillips. Obviously you can see the tip, but if this were, you know, sitting tip side down, we could easily see the marking right there on the back of the screwdriver to know what it is. And we get that same laser etching right there on the tip. So again, hardened tip. Not sure if it's a magnetic tip. We'll check that in just a moment, but we get that laser etching on there to make sure that we're gripping that screw as we need it to back that out or to tighten it down. A couple of screws here. It doesn't look like we get a magnetic tip on this. So no magnetism, which you can make that if you want to, but with that laser etching should fit the screw very well. So even without any magnetism, that we can grip that screw very well, and especially when we're putting some force behind it as well. So again, we get a lifetime warranty on the screwdrivers and the pliers, made in the USA, and the screwdriver set is going to run you $45 for the 4-piece set of screwdrivers, and the pliers are going to cost you either $35 or $40. The linemen's are $40, and the needle nose and the diagonal cutters are $35 each. We think pricing is definitely in line with Made in the USA tools, and we definitely think the quality is there in the Made in the USA tools. We love the smoothness of these pliers right out of the box, and the fact that you don't have to break them in, but you still get that Made in the USA quality. And the screwdrivers are really nice as well. They'll continue to expand on these hand tools made in the USA as they've told us, and we'll continue to bring that news to you. Be sure to keep track of us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and even TikTok. And hey, if you don't mind, would you hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't done so already? And by all means, if you hated our video, well, give us a thumbs down. But would you let us know in the comments why? Have a great day. Keep smiling.